Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Stitch and Style is probably one of the most popular sewing machines for beginners and kids, offering a fun and easy way to create unique and personalized projects. Its compact size and user-friendly design make it perfect for crafting enthusiasts of all skill levels, allowing you to unleash your creativity and bring your textile visions to life with minimal fuss and maximum enjoyment. This video will provide a comprehensive review of the KumiKreator Stitch and Style, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right sewing machine for you. Number 5. KumiKreator. It's time to get creative and make amazing jewelry with your friends. This kit makes it easy and fun to design your own bracelets and necklaces. Simply spin to create beautiful braids in minutes. Choose your favorite pattern, load the spools, and watch your jewelry come to life. Create unique bracelets and necklaces with special beads that symbolize friendship. It's the perfect way to show your BFF how much you care. This complete kit includes everything you need to make up to 5 bracelets and 2 necklaces. You'll have tons of colorful thread, beads, and more. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This kit is perfect for kids ages 8 and up. It's a great way to express your style and make lasting memories. With this kit, you can create beautiful and personalized jewelry. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. What we like? It's effortless to create beautiful braids in minutes. The unique beads let you personalize your jewelry, making it perfect for friendship gifts. If you are looking for a fun and easy craft activity to do with friends, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. KumiKreator Pottery Studio. It's easy to sculpt, design and paint your own pottery creations with the KumiKreator Pottery Studio. Get ready to create amazing pottery projects. This pottery wheel for kids comes with everything you need to make jewelry dishes, cupcake pencil holders, and so much more. Let your imagination run wild. Give your clay creations a unique twist with the sculpting tools and metallic paints. Shape it, paint it, and make it totally you. It's simple and fun for ages 8 and up. Everything you need is included to get started creating your own masterpieces. It includes the Pottery Studio, clay discs, sculpting tools, paints, and a guide to help you get started. Additional clay refills and project kits are sold separately. With the KumiKreator Pottery Studio, you can create unique and personalized pottery. It's the perfect way to express your creativity. What we like? This kit lets you easily sculpt and paint your own pottery creations. You can make amazing projects like jewelry dishes or pencil holders. If you enjoy creating unique, personalized items, this is the kit for you. What people say? It is a really practical way to make this easy and fun to use. You basically create the basic shape over the mold, then spray some water and your child can then use their hands for the final shaping. My daughter was able to complete one of the projects, from start to finish, 100% on her own, and she had a blast doing it. It came with plenty of clay to use, and instructions for things to make. The metallic paint is really pretty. Number 3. KumiKreator PopStyle Bracelet Kit. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this amazing bracelet making kit. It's packed with colorful beads and everything you need to create stylish bracelets. With this kit, you can design and redesign your bracelets endlessly. It's so easy to swap beads and create unique looks to match any outfit. It comes with 170 colorful beads, including gold chains, emojis, and letter stickers. You'll have everything you need to personalize your bracelets. No knots, no cutting, no clasps. Simply pop the beads on and off, it's that easy. This kit is perfect for young makers who love friendship bracelets and expressing their creativity. It's a great way to make gifts for friends too. The kit includes convenient storage to keep all your beads organized. It makes cleanup a breeze. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This kit makes a perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? Making bracelets has never been easier. You can easily swap beads to create endless styles. If you like making and remaking jewelry to match your outfits, this is the ideal choice. What people say? The bands and beads are of excellent quality, showcasing vibrant colors and durable materials. At the bottom, there's a convenient storage compartment for the beads, making it easy to keep everything organized. Additionally, the instructions provided are clear and straightforward, allowing for a seamless experience when getting started. Number 2. KumiKreator Stitch and Style Diary. Unleash your creativity with this exciting new kit. It's easy to use and perfect for making personalized diary covers. This innovative tool makes cross-stitch design simple. Just select a color, push it through the holes, and pull. It's that easy. Create a colorful unicorn design or draw your own masterpiece. Personalize it with stickers and stitching. The kit contains everything you need: string, a diary, the magic tool, and more. Get started right away. This DIY kit is perfect for kids aged 8 and up. It encourages imaginative play and lets them create something special. KumiKreator provides aspiring designers with the tools to make amazing creations. Get yours today. What we like. This kit makes cross-stitch easy and fun. You can create 2 unique diary covers. If you are looking for a creative and relaxing craft activity, this is perfect for you. What people say. It's really fun for kids who like to craft but maybe are not super agile. The product description does a great job explaining everything you will get. It's easy for her to use without help, which is great. Number 1. KumiKreator Stitch and Style. Get ready to unleash your inner fashion designer. With its pre-threaded cartridge, it's easier than ever to create stylish accessories. Say goodbye to tangled threads. Simply pop in the cartridge and start sewing. It's that easy. Learning to sew has never been simpler. The Smart Stitch sensors guide you every step of the way. This kit includes pre-printed fabric to make a belt bag, scrunchie, sunglasses case, and more. Let your creativity shine. Personalize your creations with the included water transfer prints. Add your own unique flair to each accessory. It's the perfect gift for any budding fashionista. Create and customize your own unique accessories. It comes with everything you need to get started: machine, cartridge, fabric, water transfers, and more. Start creating today. What we like. It's sewing without the hassle of threading. The machine is easy to use, and the pre-printed fabric makes it simple to create stylish accessories. If you want to learn basic sewing skills without the frustration, this is the kit for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.